Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit photos on Google Pixel Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the Photos app on your device. Once the app opens, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Collections. This section organizes all your photos, making it easier to locate the specific image you want to work with. Now browse through your collection and tap on the image you want to edit. This will open the photo in full view, allowing you to see all the details before you start making changes. Next, at the bottom of the screen, tap Edit. This will bring up all the editing tools available for your image. The first thing you'll notice is the option to choose between Enhance, Dynamic, or AI Enhance. These are quick adjustment options that automatically improve your photo's quality. Enhance provides a basic improvement. Dynamic adds more vibrancy and contrast, while AI Enhance uses artificial intelligence to intelligently optimize your image based on what's in the photo. Select the one that best suits your needs or skip this step if you prefer manual adjustments. Now tap Crop at the bottom. This tool allows you to adjust the framing of your image by trimming unwanted areas or changing the aspect ratio. You can drag the corners to resize or use the preset ratios if you're aiming for a specific format like square or widescreen. Once you're satisfied with the crop, you can move on to the next editing feature. Next, tap Adjust at the bottom. This is where you have full control over the finer details of your image. Here you can adjust portrait light to change the lighting on faces, modify brightness to make your image lighter or darker, tweak contrast to enhance the difference between light and dark areas, adjust tone for color warmth, and fine-tune white point for better color accuracy. There are many more options available here, so take your time exploring what works best for your photo. After that, tap Actions at the bottom. This section offers advanced editing tools like Portrait Blur, which lets you adjust the background blur effect. Pop enhances colors and makes your image stand out more. Sharpen increases the clarity and detail, while denoise reduces graininess, especially useful for photos taken in low light. These tools give you professional level control over how your image looks. Then tap Mark Up at the bottom. Here you can get creative by drawing on your photo using pen, highlighting areas with highlighter, or adding text to label or emphasize parts of your image. This is particularly useful if you're creating content for social media or need to annotate your photos. Next, tap Filters at the bottom. You'll see two main options here. Tap Filters to apply various color and style presets that can completely change the mood of your photo. Alternatively, tap Sky Styles to specifically adjust how the sky looks in your image, adding dramatic effects like sunset tones or enhanced blue skies. Experiment with different options until you find the perfect look. Once you're done with all your edits and you're happy with how your photo looks, tap Save as Copy at the top. This will save your edited version as a new file while keeping the original untouched, so you never lose your original photo. And that's it, you've successfully edited your photo on Google Pixel Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.